Hi, I'm Ajane Smith, and this is a Monday Morsel. During these uncertain times, it is important that you make sure you have a valid will. A valid will is a document that must be in writing, signed by you, and signed by two witnesses who are present to see the execution of the document and witness each other sign the document. If you do not have a valid will when you pass away, you will lose control over what happens to your assets. Dying without a will is also known as intestacy. Whenever this happens, a court intervenes to settle your estate and distribute your assets. The court will appoint someone as administrator of your estate, meaning that they are responsible for managing the estate. The court will follow the North Carolina Intestate Succession Act to determine who inherits your assets and how much of those assets they will receive. This can lead to many issues. For example, family you may not have wanted to give any assets to may receive them. Family you wanted to take care of may not be taken care of at all, and family may not exercise your wishes in regards to taking care of your assets. Passing away without a valid will could potentially result in more legal headaches and family feuds. Some people may assume that if they do not have a will, then their assets will automatically go to their spouse, or that their verbal statements given before passing away will control how their assets are distributed. However, that's not the case. Some assets will not be part of the probate process because they are distributed through contractual agreements, such as insurance. However, most assets will be distributed according to the North Carolina Intestate Succession Act, meaning that depending on who survives you, that determines who gets your assets. Now, it's a pretty simple process, so just remember it has to be signed by you in the presence of two witnesses, and the witnesses have to see each other sign. It's also even better to have a notary be able to notarize that all three parties were present and that they themselves signed the will. This makes your will self-proving and should help in any type of will dispute. If you're interested in creating a will or revising a will, reach out to us at www.smithominguez.com and we'll be more than happy to help.